up your Wi-Fi settings on your iOS device. Open up your Wi-Fi settings. Scroll all the way to the bottom, find HTTP proxy. Change setting from off to manual. In corresponding fields, apply your IP and port or username and password. Save settings. After submitting your credentials on Proxy configuration page, expect an additional prompt from Apple Settings requesting proxy credentials extracted from your dashboard. Submit your credentials. Click OK. Visit an online IP tracker to verify whether the proxy is activated or not.